Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to screenshot a snap without them knowing and without getting them a notification that you have taken a screenshot of their snap. So for that guys, first of all you have to open your Snapchat application. Now open chats. You need to scroll down from your notification bar and select the airplane mode. Now you have to make sure that neither Wi-Fi nor mobile data has to be open. Now you need to open the snap. Now take a screenshot, get back to it. Now you need to tap and hold to the chat from where you have taken the screenshot. Now select chat and notification settings. Now select clear from chat feed. Now select clear. And now you need to get rid of the application, and now turn off the airplane mode and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now open the Snapchat app again, open the chats, and when you search for the person from which you have taken the screenshot, you can see that the chats has been showed as we have not viewed the snaps till now. So that's how you guys can take a screenshot of a snap without them knowing. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.